throw the ball, run the ball, move in the pocket well and everything.
Yeah,
what part of this you don't understand?
What's the same? We're trying to make a quarterback out of a running back.
It's not necessary. It's not necessary. It's not necessary. That's exactly what running backs are for, to run the football. That's why you have teamwork. That wins championships, teamwork. Not an individual who drops back and all of a sudden just takes off because he just on a whim.
Isn't this guy a Philadelphia Eagle fan talking?
And I
Yeah.
am.
Quarterback is one of the most mobile quarterbacks in the league.
I know.
On to the
Oh, my
2013.
goodness.
So
And I'm gonna tell
are
you,
you
the
automatically
greatest-
declaring
the
that
greatest-
the Eagles ain't gonna go nowhere because they got a mobile quarterback? Are
No.
you declaring that right now your Eagles is not going to be successful because they got a mobile quarterback?
The system is what.
Huh?
The system
Answer
is what.
the question.
I am
Answer
answering
the question. Answer the
I am
question.
answering the question. You don't let me
Answer the question.
speaking. No, the transition that they have to make and the teamwork that has to be involved in the Eagles right now. Not just Vic dropping back and not having an offensive line where he's running for his life. That's the difference. He was running for his life last year.
What part of this conversation sounds like you will not answer the question?
I'm trying to make a point. You've got to be open-minded enough to listen to another man's point. It takes teamwork in the NFL. Running backs run, receivers catch, blockers block.
You've been making a
That's
point
the
all
formula.
morning, but you won't answer
Running
the
backs
question.
run, quarterbacks throw, receivers catch, blockers block. That's how it works.
On into the 2013 season. Who win the championship this year or who will go to the playoffs? We've got Tommy Lee. Tommy Lee says
We got a drunk fan in the stands, y'all. Don't mind the drunk fans in the stand.
Denver Broncos. Denver
Mr. Henry?
Broncos because they have the best
Blue and the
running
green,
back
baby. The blue and the green, baby. The blue and the green.
Hey, we got
That's
some.
who's gonna win the
think the
motherfucking
Seattle
I
Super
think
Bowl.
they're probably
stand
going
a
to be
chance.
Seattle.
Somebody just kicked up some
Or the
knockoff New
49ers.
Balances in
And
the
both of
street,
them got
y'all.
mobile quarterbacks.
No, they're going to scheme for them. NFL defensive coordinators are too smart. In this league, they're too smart, and they'll scheme for that running quarterback.
Let's hear from someone out of Atlanta. We're going to move over to Atlanta just one moment, guys. To a guy who
Sound like to me this guy don't like his quarterback for the
Mississippi.
Eagles.
He lives in Atlanta. What
I
do
know
you think
Michael
about the
Vick.
Dirty Birds this year?
Hey, what's going on over here, Lee?
We
Huh?
have
Dirty Bird in the
We
Super
have a
Bowl.
native of Atlanta. He says the Dirty Birds will win the Super Bowl. I have to say that Atlanta Falcons will make a good run for the NFL championship this year. I totally agree.
I'm just going to tell you one thing. There's a new dirty bird in town. It's the Eagles.
No, but you got a mobile quarterback. You can't win.